It's quite likely that we all enjoy a hot cup of tea or herbal infusion at least from time to time, if not on a daily basis. But what are the most important health benefits that some of these soothing teas can bring us? Hey guys, welcome to this new video on top teas for better health by HealthifyMe. Here are our 5 top teas. My first tea, of course, is our green tea, a favorite with tea drinkers everywhere. Green tea has been praised for its medicinal properties for years. The health benefits brought about by green tea have been linked with their content of polyphenols, which are micronutrients with antioxidant properties. As antioxidants, these substances can protect against the action of free radicals, which induce the type of cellular damage consistent with aging. The same green tea polyphenol has also been said to slow down the growth of tumor cells of certain types of cancer, such as pancreatic cancer. Now, before we proceed further, make sure that you have subscribed to or followed HealthifyMe. My second go-to tea is Jasmine Tea. What we refer to as Jasmine Tea is a type of beverage that usually has green tea as its base, to which jasmine flowers are added for an enriched aroma. But the benefits of jasmine tea aren't solely due to the antioxidant effects of the tea plant, since jasmine blooms also bring their own medicinal properties to the mix. Jasmine itself has been linked with improved physical well-being and is said to reduce the impact of stress. That is why some researchers have experimented with compounds derived from this plant in search of better therapies. And if you happen to enjoy drinking jasmine tea simply because you love the way it smells, there's actually a good reason for that. Research that was published in the European Journal of Applied Physiology explained that the smell of jasmine tea is soothing, able to calm nerves, and able to help regulate mood. Hey guys, don't forget, you will need to track all the food that you eat. Download the HealthifyMe app from this link in the description below to track the calories in your food. You will be able to track over 55,000 foods, receive real-time insights and automated analytics on your health. Now, my third go-to tea is Rooibos Tea. Another type of tea with antioxidant properties is the red bush tea or the Rooibos tea, prepared from the South African native plant. Results from a study suggest that the daily intake of unfermented Rooibos herbal tea or derived commercially Rooibos supplement may benefit human health by providing the liver with an enhanced antioxidant capacity to reduce damage induced by toxicants. Moreover, Rooibos has also been cited as helpful in lowering blood pressure and relaxing tense muscles, suggesting that the active ingredient in this instance might be one of the flavonoids that it contains, called crisareol. Now, unlike green or black tea, Rooibos does not contain any caffeine, so it won't have the same stimulating effects. This makes it safe to drink well into the evening. Now, my fourth tea is the Hibiscus Tea. Those of you who enjoy the refreshing taste of more sour brew may also be familiar with herbal infusions of hibiscus, a plant whose flowers can be used not just to make invigorating beverages, but also to give a subtle punch to salads or as an elegant garnish for sophisticated dishes. For the tea or herbal tea, its calcises are typically used, although other parts of the plant such as the leaves, seeds and roots are safe for consumption. Hibiscus tea has also been tied to cardiovascular health benefits, helping to regulate systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Though not so commonly used to brew tea, hibiscus leaves have also been linked repeatedly to a wide array of health benefits. Now, my last go-to final tea is lemon verbena tea, another herbal tea whose medicinal properties are getting increasingly recognized, and they are made from lemon verbena, scientifically dubbed as Alocasia citrodora. In fact, studies have shown that the polyphenols in this plant can decrease the formation of fatty acids, marking its potential use in the treatment of obesity-related health issues. Researchers have also suggested that lemon verbena extracts may help to lower inflammatory markers and their levels in the blood of some people with multiple sclerosis. So to summarize, having a cup of your tea, or tisane as we call it, may be a pleasant way to carve out some self-indulgence time and stimulate your bodily and mental well-being in a subtle way. We hope you liked our video. Do like this video if you learned something new today. You can share this video with your family, friends and your loved ones. And you can also add this video to your own personal playlist so that you can come back and watch it anytime. Chat with our coaches on WhatsApp today. Connect with HealthifyMe's top nutritionists and trainers from the comfort of your phone. Click the link in the description below and start your consultation now. Now let us know in the comment section if we missed out on anything or if you have any suggestions or questions about this particular topic. If you have not subscribed to or followed our HealthifyMe channel yet, go ahead and click on the subscribe or follow button. If you are on YouTube, hit the bell icon to stay tuned to more videos from HealthifyMe. Thank you for watching.